In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing our nails. These are the nails I picked up from Amazon. These are the coffin shaped ones, and it's the short natural ones. We all love doing our nails, but you know, a trip to the nail salon is pretty expensive, and let's do things on a budget. Okay, so these are stuff you'll need: alcohol, sure, in case you want to clean up your mess or whatnot. I have the Kiss brush on nail glue. I have a nail file, nail clip. I picked up some rhinestone from on Amazon. I will leave the link of everything I used down below. This one I picked up from my Amazon. These two nails polish. This is the clear top coat and the polish. I love this nail polish, so beautiful. I picked them up from the beauty supply, and as you can see, I already picked up my nails. If I have a clip, I will show it, but it's very easy. You just go through the bags because they come with 10 nails, something sizes, and you just go in the bag, find your size, and put it on. So yeah, all right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and file my nails just to give the glued something to hold on to, and I may clean up my nail for the most part. So I went ahead and did these fingers, and I'm sure you can see the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. It's pretty easy and self-explanatory. If you've been to the salon before, you know exactly what to do. But yeah, I'm just gonna put both on my nails. Just press on it until you get rid of all the air bubble. So okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little filing, especially the tips, just to file those down where they broke them apart. And wherever you feel like it's not even, you just go ahead and do your filing. It's already shaped, so you're not doing much of a shaping, and that's it. Go ahead and get a wet paper towel and just wipe down, dust it off. If you want to go wash your hands, you can do that, but it's not really necessary. Just press my finger on something just because it makes it easier for me to polish. This nail polish was $2 from the beauty supply. I really like it. It's not as opaque. You have to do like go over it at least 3 times to get your color, but I don't mind because it's a pretty color. By the second coat, you can see that the color is starting to really show up. And so I went ahead and did the rest of my nails. The rhinestone comes with a pencil and a tweezer. All right, so I'm just gonna be freestyling. I don't have any order I'm going in. I'm just gonna go into the rhinestones and put them on pretty much. So my nails is halfway dry. I like to put them on when it's halfway dry, so it first adhere onto the nails, then I'm gonna put the top coat after. Okay guys, these are the final results, and this will take you less than 10 minutes to be exact. And yeah, as you saw, I did not use any acrylic. I just used my faux nail, and I will leave the link to the nails and the rhinestones down below. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. Till next time, stay blessed and fancy.